So now earlier, Supreme Court opportunities for young lawyers were very, very limited in the Supreme Court. Okay. Now, why were opportunities limited? Many senior advocates didn't pay well or didn't pay at all, right? Okay. But now what's happening now? There are way more matters. There are many more lawyers who start practicing in the Supreme Court right after college. Judges are encouraging young lawyers to go and argue. And I'm going to give you examples. And this is from the media. Okay. In fact, there was a movement to restart physical hearings at the Supreme Court. You know why? On the premise that senior lawyers can practice in multiple states sitting from their home. But young lawyers used to go to courts, meet a lot of seniors, and that would help them network a lot more to meet new seniors, to brief them in future if matters came, or to perform various kinds of work. So for wherever the lawyer to lawyer networking used to happen, sometimes that for that physical hearings were important. Physical presence in the courts was important. Now, what is important here to note is that people are caring way more about young lawyers today than it was the case before. Okay, Justice Deepak Gupta and Justice D.Y. Chandrachud encouraged young lawyers to act for independence of the judiciary. You can see this post on Outlook India in May 2020. Chief Justice Deepak Mishra stated that young lawyers could mention cases out of turn at the Supreme Court. Initially, it was about whether only AORs can mention it. AORs meaning at least you would need to have 5 years of experience and crack the exam, versus whether you need to have versus a lawyer who's not even an AOR can mention. And it was clarified that even a non-AOR can mention the cases if they learn mentioning. Okay, that was one gap area. So how to mention cases was something that was necessary to be learned. Supreme Court designated 5 lawyers at the youngest ages possible in the history of India to senior counsel position. Now, earliest ages, like there were 5 lawyers around 41 years of age became senior advocate. Okay, I think there have been people at around age 38 also, but in this March 2019 round of designation, there were 5 lawyers who were at around age 41, 45, at which they got designated as seniors. These are very young ages for somebody to become a senior advocate. 9, and then there's a list of 9 women lawyers who are doing extremely well at the Supreme Court. Only 9 were listed here, but there are way more women lawyers. So it is not that litigation or Supreme Court litigation is only for men. It is for everybody. Okay, the opportunity is available for everyone. Now there are now we're going to go into how does it work. So there are several rounds of litigation in the same matter, appeals and SLPs. So the thing is that any matter before it even completes, okay, can go to Supreme Court in the middle only through appeal or through special leave petition. And this can happen even in a civil matter or a criminal matter before trial is completed. You know what trial is? Trial is the stage where all the evidence and everything is taken. This can be completed even before. Okay, so you will have interim applications, SLPs against interim relief going to Supreme